Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a glorious day, not weather-wise, because it has been raining here in Jersey for days. But I just wanted to come on here and give you a little update because I know I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys regarding how I'm doing on plan. You guys know that on Saturdays is my weigh-in day, so I will not give up what's been going on this week. However, I just want to give you a little update on myself. So I am doing phenomenal. This week I have noticed a slight increase in hunger. That could be due to the amount of exercise that I'm doing. I have a wonderful coach who is guiding me and who has advised me on some snacks that I can have during the day should I need them. But the plan is going great. I'm definitely in ketosis, guys. The inches are melting away. The pounds are going down and I feel amazing. The vitamins and minerals that I am ingesting have made a world of difference. My labs are back to normal, so that is phenomenal. Somebody asked me yesterday if I was taking a multivitamin throughout keto, and at times I was, but the deficit that I was having through my lab values was incredible, and that is why I was unable to lose the weight. I wasn't sleeping well. I was having nightmares and just an all-around sense of like fatigue and just not feeling good. And lo and behold, I went and had my labs drawn, and that is what was found. I did explain that in another video. However, that has been rectified now. I am not on any vitamin supplements right now. It's just the food that I'm taking in is packed with vitamins and minerals. I'm meeting my potassium every day, my mag, my vitamins, my B vitamins, everything, and it makes a world of difference. So if you are not feeling well on keto, guys, go get a set of labs done. It doesn't hurt. It's a little prick in your arm, and they'll be able to tell you if you're vitamin deficient or not. That was something that was like the first time it had ever happened to me, being on keto for as long as I have been. And you guys, if you're like me, you're very in tune to the way you're feeling and the way your body is. And I just knew something wasn't right and something had to be done. And so yeah, so that's how I stumbled on Optavia. I am still training. I am not lifting as heavy as I was. I am doing more of a cardio right now because, again, I'm trying to lean out now that my labs have been stabilized. I'm trying to lean down as much as I can and then get back to the heavy training, so then I can definitely see my gains, because I was not seeing many gains. I wasn't. But the side effect of this being the weight loss has been amazing. People at work are noticing, people my street, my neighbors, they're all like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? So the thing that's cool with Optavia is the foods can go kind of like incognito. I'm going to show you something right now. I ordered, hold on, let me pull this out. I ordered, and I keep everything in a Ziploc bag in my work bag, but I ordered the cheddar cheese biscuit. Now, I cook it at home and I keep it in my little baggie, but this is what it looks like. It literally looks like a cheddar biscuit. Now, what I can do with this, if I want to, I can pop it out and cut it in half and take part of my lean for the day and put it in. I can make a sandwich. I could eat it plain. I could cut it in half, put a little tomato sauce and some mozzarella cheese on top and make a pizza. But, oh my God, it's got like rosemary. This smells like, if you're familiar with either Olive Garden biscuits or I want to say like a seafood place, how they have those cheddar biscuits, kind of like, I don't know. It just reminds me. I haven't tasted this yet. This is brand new to me. So I have that today. I have my Parmesan garlic poppers, and I have a protein bar, which is the creamy double peanut butter crisp bar, which is one of my favorites. So I did have a chocolate protein shake this morning, and that will be what I'm having throughout the day at work. And then when I go home, I have a nice dinner. Tonight is going to be either fish or shrimp even though they're both seafood. It could be either fish or shrimp, with some mixed vegetables, some rice cauliflower, some bok choy, broccoli, asparagus, mushrooms, whatever. And then what I've been doing is I've been adding a wedge of Laughing Cow cheese to my cauliflower rice so that I make that risotto, and I have a recipe of that on my channel. So it is definitely a keto, modified keto plan, because getting about between 50 and 60 carbs a day, depending on what I choose for dinner. It could be a little more, a little less. But I love it and I feel so good, guys. So that's my little update. I will see you Saturday for the big weigh-in. I can't wait. I have weighed myself a little bit throughout the week because I wanted just to see what's going on, and whoa. I'm so impressed. And check this out. My wedding rings are like spinning around. They're loose. Okay, these were not loose, but they do. Look at that. They just spin. Oh, and I forgot to take off my makeup that I used. Whatever. All right, so that's my spiel, my update. I hope you're all doing well. If you have any questions, leave them below as always. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. I know some of you are asking for lean and green ideas, so I will be posting a video about that coming up very soon. So anyway, have a great day, guys. I love you. Stay focused, and thank you all for your support. I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye, guys.